In this step-by-step tutorial, we'll dive into painting snowy pine trees. Welcome to Acrylic Arts Academy. We teach the world to paint. You can create stunning and realistic pine trees with just a fan brush, some paint, and a dash of creativity. We'll guide you through each step, from shaping the trees to adding the final touches of snow. So, grab your brushes and let's paint some snowy pine trees together. We'll need a handful of supplies to embark on this artistic journey. First and foremost, you'll need a fan brush. This will be the primary tool for shaping our snowy pines. Secondly, you'll need some paint. Black or dark green paint will be the backbone of our trees, giving them the depth they need. For the snow, we'll use white paint. Finally, a filbert or round brush is handy for those detailed touches, especially when creating the snowy effect. So let's gather these supplies and get started. Start by dipping your fan brush into your black or dark green paint. Hold the fan brush horizontally and start creating the pine tree shape using a stamping motion. Let's talk about this technique a little more. Use the entire fan brush horizontally toward the bottom of the tree. Tilt your brush to use the corner as you get to the top. This will help you create the narrower tip. Watch closely as we demonstrate this in slow motion so you can fully grasp the technique. Use the entire fan brush horizontally toward the bottom of the tree. Creating smaller versions of the tree follows the same principles. The key here is to adjust your handling of the fan brush. Let's break down this process into simple, easy to follow steps. Here's that technique again from a different point of view. Use a light tapping motion as you work and adjust the orientation of the brush as needed. Load your brush with paint as necessary. Before we begin adding snow, let's allow our base layer to dry. Using your round or filbert brush, dip it into your white paint. Now, let's add some snow to our trees. Apply the white paint gently, using a light tapping motion that follows the tree's formations, creating the illusion of snow resting on the branches. Remember, in the world of art, patience is key. Take the time to finesse each tree, adding as much or as little snow as you prefer. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide on painting snowy pine trees. We hope this tutorial has inspired you to create your wintry masterpieces. Keep exploring acrylic painting techniques, and remember, the sky's the limit regarding creativity. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more painting tutorials. Don't forget to check out the description below for more information on the supplies we use and what free resources we offer. Until next time, keep those brushes moving and let your creativity flow. Begin your acrylic painting journey by taking one of our free courses. Just visit acrylicartsacademy.com/free courses to get started.